So here we are on Freedom of the Seas, and this is interior cabin 1851 here on the 12th floor, all the way in the front of the ship. Let's check it out. So we're going to start right here at the bed. You still got your Royal King. There's no plugs on the side here. Let's turn on, oh, that's the wrong way. Got some drawers here. And also on the other side. And let's see, do these turn on here? Oh, there we go. So you do have your night lights right there. Okay, you got your TV. You got your drawers, your hair dryer, some tissues, more underneath. Here you got your menus, breakfast menus, your room service. You got your desk here. You got your regular plugs, a European plug. We got some shelving right here. Your in-room safe right here. And your cooler, fridge right there. And here, we're going to try to see how we can get this. This is a little tight. But you got your closet here with your hangers. You got additional shelving on the side here. Tons of space. And you got a pull down bar in case you need that. And then last but not least, we have the bathroom. Let's turn that on. You got your little shower tube. You got your hair and body wash. And you got some shelving on the side there. Your mirror. You got your sink. And a little bit of more storage underneath. So there you go, folks. That was interior here on Freedom of the Seas 1851. And let me know in the comments, would you save the money and book this interior cabin, or spend a little extra and get maybe an ocean view, balcony, or even a suite? And if you want to check out the Panoramic Suite right across the hall from here, click on this video right here. Thanks for watching, and we will check in the next one. Bye.